I've waited here for you, Everlong. Tonight I throw myself into out of my head, out of her head, she sang. Come down and waste away with me, down with me. Slow how you wanted it to be. I'm out of my head, out of her head, she sang. And I wonder, nothing wrong with you, if everything will ever feel so real forever, if anything will ever feel so good again. The only thing I'll ever ask of you, you gotta promise not to stop when I say when she sang. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelechords.com, and today we're making Everlong by Foo Fighters. It's a little bit tricky song. We have some funny measurements and also a little pick that is not so easy, but I'll explain it all to you. If you are patient enough and you practice, you'll be able to make it, alright? So first I'll show you the chords, after that the parts, the pick, and then we'll do a play along. So stick to the end of the video to learn the song in no time, alright? Okay, so the first chord we have is the chord of D major 7, which is barring on the 2nd fret, and with the pinky on the 4th fret of the A string. Alright, we are doing it with the pinky because we need the ring finger to go up here, and that way we grab the 2nd chord, which is B minor add 9. Alright, it's a tricky one, I know, but if you practice it, you'll make it. After that, we need the chord of G suspended 2. Alright? And then also we need the chord of D. Then the chord of A major. And then we need the chord of B minor. The chord of G. And that's all the chords we need. Alright, so we have 3 parts. The first part is the verse, and it is D major 7 twice, B minor add 9 twice, G suspended 2 once, and B minor add 9 twice again. Alright, so when you count them, you're repeating 7 bars all over again, okay? It's not 8. This is the tricky measurement that I was talking about earlier. So the strumming pattern I'm doing, we're accenting on 4 strums, and on the rest of them, I'm either muting the strings or just doing slide strums. It sounds like. Alright, so on the first down up, you can either mute them or play them quietly. And on the second time, on the 3rd strum, you're hitting it hard, okay? So it's. Alright, and after that, I'm having another mute, and then down, up, and another muted strum, and then up, okay? So it sounds like. This is what I'm doing. Okay, and after we are repeating the verse a few times, we are going to the pre-chorus, which is something like. So I'm grabbing D, but I'm playing also on the C string. 1 1 1 2 2 2 4 4 4 6 6 6 6 7 6, and I go to A major chord. Okay, so I'm grabbing like F sharp minor, down up down, then D up down up, and then D with ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string, down up down, and then with the pinky on the 6th fret, up down up, and then on the 6th fret again, 1 down, then I'm stretching to get to the 7th fret, and then again to 6th, and after that on the off beat on the F strum we're hitting the A major chord. Alright, so it's. Okay, so the whole this thing is 3 bars. So we are repeating it twice. It makes 6 bars. And after that, for another 2 bars, we're doing just the D thing, just the pick. So the whole thing together is something like. And I wonder, not sing along with you. All right, to this point, and after that we go on the chorus. Now on the chorus, the chords are changing on the offbeat of the last bar. Okay, and for the strumming pattern, I'm doing something like up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. And the third time is a little bit different. We go to D and then to A and then to G twice. And we go to the first part, the verse part. Pretty much that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, slow down the video at first. And when you're ready with the slower tempo, get it with the right tempo, practice again, and then you'll be ready to do the song. All right? Let's go, let's give it a try. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for Everlong by Foo Fighters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.